User properties are a flexible way to render values in your message templates. You can structure your users' track events to make use of Dittofeed's performed user properties, which is useful if your goal is to render information associated with a track event inside of a message template. Let's say you have a SaaS product and a user updates their billing information. You want to inform them their information has been updated and include some helpful information about the changes made. Here's an example of how you might structure a billing updated track event with useful properties to render in your message template. So as you can see here, we have a previous payment method and a new payment method and a bunch of other useful properties. Now let's use some of these properties to create performed user properties, which we can then render in an SMS template. So go to user properties inside of Dittofeed and create a new user property. We're going to name this card brand. And under user property type, we'll select performed. We'll set the event name to billing updated. That's because billing updated is the name of our event here. The property path will be newpaymentmethod.cardbrand. As you can see in our event, we have this card brand here under the new payment method property. The example value JSON can be anything you want for testing. I'm going to put MasterCard. Hit save. And now let's create another user property. We'll name this one new payment method last four. The property type will be performed, and the event name will again be billing updated. The property path will be new payment method dot last four, and as you can see, we have last four here under the new payment method property. The example value can be 4321 and hit save. Now we'll go to message templates and create template. Let's name this billing update SMS and select SMS as the template type. Click create, and under user properties, you should see your new properties you just made. Now let's delete the default template and add our own. As you can see, these template variables are rendered over here to the right. You're now ready to publish your template and use it in a journey.